Today we have to start with the Aeolian landform, or it is also known as wind related landform. And I said that Aio in the Greek, Latin it is known as Aio means wind god. So any landform which has been formed by wind, it is known as Aeolian landform. It is known as Aeolian landform. Understood it? Next one, if we see this Aeolian landform, in which area it is effective? It is effective in the deserts of the world. So the wind erosion कहाँ पे effective है? In the deserts. Understood? And if I say that I said that different types of deserts are there. Types of deserts, if we'll see. Types of desert. And these are, I said that Arc desert, Rake desert, and then I said that Hamada, and these types of desert on the basis of texture. On the basis of texture. Which are the three deserts I said that? Arg, Reg, Hamada. Arg, Reg, Hamada. This is, I said that deserts on the basis of texture. And Arg desert is, I said that sandy desert. In the world, around 90% of the desert is this Arg desert, sandy desert. That you can be able to see, जो आप देख रहे हो, this is which one I said? Arg desert. Understood? And this is which type of desert? Yes, Arg desert. Which desert is this? Arg. Understood? And the next one we are going to see that it is a stony desert. Which desert? Stony desert. Understood it? I said that stony desert. Reg is what? That you can see in the Gobi desert. This kind of desert you can be able to find. In Ladakh you can be able to find this kind of. And Hamada is a rocky desert. Now you know that we have to also, yes, and then before coming into this, another desert that all of you commonly knows, desert on the basis of temperature. Then one I said that hot desert. Another I said cold desert. Simply वहाँ पे ठंडा होगा तो उसको ठंडा कह दोगे. Yes or no? तो लद्दाख कैसा? It is in the Himalayas, and after crossing the Himalayas, Ladakh, and it is in a cold, then we will say that it is in a cold desert. And then hot desert, if you see simply those who are in the what is in a tropical and subtropical region, it is known as hot desert. And those who are in the what I said that mid latitude, like I said that, do you know Turkmenistan? It is in a Central Asian country, and then there is in a Karakum, and there is an I said that above Uzbekistan, Kizilkum, and then we will see Gobi Desert in I said in China, northern part of China. And earlier, you know that one program used to run, कौन बनेगा करोड़पति, अभी शायद स्टार्ट होने वाला. And in the initial period KBC में one मेरे पास फ़ोन किया था, तो उसके बाद उधर से क्वेश्चन आता था on the telephone landline. फ़ोन आया and then you have to be selection के लिए पूछा गया in which continent Gobi Desert lies. Options are Asia, Africa. मैंने बोला अफ्रीका बोलने में देर क्यों लगाया? अपने एशिया, अफ्रीका, साउथ अमेरिका, नॉर्थ अमेरिका, फटाफट आंसर अफ्रीका. You know that they must have selected Gobi Desert is in Asia, China, and generally लोग क्या जानते हैं? तो Gobi Desert is in a northern part of I said that China. तो ये तो मैं कभी नहीं भूलता. वैसे तो मैं मैक्सिमम चीजें नहीं भूलता हूँ, but even then I said this is your Gobi Desert. This is your Gobi Desert. And in the Turkmenistan, there is a Karakum, Uzbekistan, Kizilkum. These are the famous, you can see the cold desert. And then in the Argentina, Patagonia. In the mid latitude, you can be able to see there is a cold deserts. Understood it? So, these are the types of deserts are there. Arg क्या है? Arg desert is which kind of desert? जनरली इन आवर इंडिया लोग अर्घ देते हैं किस दिन? संडे को देते हैं. किस दिन देते हैं अर्घ देते हो? अच्छा, इफेक्ट दिख रहा है मेरा था. आई सेड दैट अर्घ ऑन विच डे? संडे. संडे को लेके थे ना द वुमन अर्घ, दैट इज आई सेड दैट उस दिन सब लोग बहू हस्बैंड इज ऑल्सो एट होम, देन दैट डे सी बिकम व्हाट सो मच ट्रेडिशनल. अर्घ किस दिन दिया जाता है? संडे. एंड देन that day is your what? Rest day. That day is your. So the Reg Desert is what? Stony desert. Reg Desert is what? And Hamada, and only this is the day it is our Hamada. Hamada is what? So लोग बोलते हैं ना hours पे हिंदी में बोलते हैं हमारा. So Sunday is rest day, but it is our. So Arg desert is sandy desert, Reg stony, Hamada rocky desert. This way you can remember the deserts. Thereafter I said that there is a hot deserts and cold deserts. Next one I said that which region is known as first desert. We should understand. First I said that rainfall should be less than 25 or 30 centimeter, whatever you can write. Maybe 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter, 20 centimeter, 15 centimeter, maybe what? 0.5, 0.8 centimeter. Yes? In the Chile में जाओगे, there is an a region which is the most least rainfall in the world in Chile. That is less than 1 centimeter. Another it is also nearby, that is in a Chuquicamata. So I said that it is also famous for copper. वहाँ पर copper भी मिलता है Chile में. I said that rainfall is how much? Less than 25 centimeter. वहाँ पे vegetation होना चाहिए. Vegetation नहीं होगा. Lack of vegetation. जो xerophytes होता है वो vegetation एक xerophytes होते हैं. Understood? Clear? I said that xerophytes, succulent and all. लेकिन generally you want to see what is a vegetation in this region. अच्छा यदि आपसे पूछ दिया जाए desert has less biodiversity और cold tundra has less biodiversity, दोनों में किसके पास कम biodiversity है? Less means less plants, less animals. Desert has less animals or plants, animals and plants, or tundra has less animals and plants? टुंड्रा ध्यान रखिएगा. डेजर्ट में बहुत सारे मतलब सो मेनी छुपे छुपे मिल जाएंगे. दान नीचे ठंडा मिल जाता है. एंड देन इफ द टेम्परेचर गोज बिलो 6 डिग्री सेल्सियस देन द प्लांट फॉर्मेशन बहुत हार्ड होता है. And mosses, lichens, and so other things here. There is a very high. So, which region is, if I am talking about, which region is more prone to loss of ecosystem, ecological imbalance? जहाँ पे कम बायोडाइवर्सिटी होगा, यदि 2-4 फूड चेन में ये स्पेसिस खत्म हो गया तो पीछे वाले भी उनको नहीं मिलेंगे. क्योंकि हमारे पास if you are not able to eat food and all this grains I am not getting, we started eating the animals. We started eating this पत्ते खाने लग जाएंगे. But there is a very less what species diversity. Therefore, tundra is the what most ecological imbalance region. If there is any food chain disturbed, there is a large biodiversity loss. So I said that desert फिर भी अच्छा biodiversity rather than the lack of vegetation. Another point I said that evaporation is much greater than precipitation. यदि 20 सेंटीमीटर हो रहा है तो उससे ज्यादा ही evaporation हो रहा है. So evaporation is much greater than. So यदि आपको evaporation नहीं भी दिखे, आप बोलोगे सर लद्दाख is cold, evaporation तो होता नहीं होगा. Simply आपके दिमाग में तो यही जाएगा ना. In the world when we'll do climate, you will understand that every substance in the world used to release the heat if the sun rays are not there. If a temperature of substance is minus 50 degrees Celsius, that will also keep on losing the heat. If the sun rays are not there, it becomes minus 60, it becomes minus 80, it becomes minus 90, it becomes minus 100. Slowly that keep on reducing the what? Releasing the heat. Every substance in the world releases the heat if the sun rays, the heat is not coming. That is one concept if you have studied specific heat. Yes or not? तो हमेशा ही कोई भी या तो एब्जॉर्ब करता रहेगा या तो. So I said that. तो it means कि हम लोग यदि कोल्ड डेजर्ट में भी जाएंगे तो वहां पर भी क्या हो रहा है? Evaporation is keep on happening. सन रेज कम आ रहा है लेकिन उसके कंपैरेटिवली अमाउंट ऑफ हीट इज आल्सो कीप ऑन व्हाट? एवोपरेटिंग. सर कोल्ड डेजर्ट में तो एवोपरेशन नहीं होना चाहिए. लोग यही क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं. अंडरस्टूड इट? सो लैक ऑफ वेजिटेशन, दिस 3 फैक्टर्स यू कैन बी एबल टू सी. और ये भी कह सकते हो जहां पे आई सेड दैट वाटर डेफिसिट हो. क्या हो? यस, डेफिसिट. वाटर डेफिसिट वर्ड सुना होगा ना आप लोगों ने. वाटर डेफिसिट. These are the factors can cause a region to be what? Desert. There are some factors causing the desert formation that I will not discuss. I'll discuss along with the climate, along with the oceanography. I said that first I said that subtropical high pressure belt. Second, cold ocean current. Third, I said that leeward effect. Fourth, I said that interior continentality. These are the 4 factors causing the desert formation. Which are the factors? First, climate based, subtropical high pressure belt. Second, ocean based, cold ocean current. Third, I said that yes, climate based. One side is leeward effect. I said Patagonia desert is because of leeward effect. Leeward side, matlab I said that when the wind comes, cloud formation this side, there is no rainfall now. Leeward effect. Understood? That we will study in the climate. That is a leeward effect. And one concept I said that. So which are the two climatic? Subtropical high pressure belt and leeward effect. And which is the oceanographic? Cold ocean current. And I said that if this is in a large continent, suppose, and when this is an ocean, when the ocean comes with the water vapor, they will give more rainfall in this region. And as it will keep on giving rainfall, then slowly moisture कम होता चला जाएगा. And as it will reaches interior, तो यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Very less rainfall. And that is known as an interior continentality. Understood? These are the 4 factors are there. लेकिन जब जिस दिन बताऊंगा तो उस दिन और इमेजिन कर लेना. So I said that which are the 4 factors for the desert formation? Subtropical high pressure belt, leeward effect, pale climate, and thereafter ocean, cold ocean current, and then 4th one is what? Interior continentality. Next one I said that what are the erosional forces? What are the erosional forces in the desert by the wind? First I said that deflation. Do you know deflation? Yes. Rivers में पढ़ा था ना deflation. Deflation में क्या होता है? When the river is moving, they used to what? Uplift the particle in the water body. So when the wind moves, they also used to what? Uplift the particle in the air. And that is known as a deflated particle. Deflation will be there.